Hey, what is up guys, it is Technology Hell back here. Welcome back to another video. I showed you in my previous video that I got my first play button, and you guys definitely had the doubt that how did I get a play button for 1000 subscribers, as the first play button is awarded at 100,000 subscribers, the silver play button. But I wrote down in the description a small line, it is a do-it-yourself play button. Isn't it looking like real? Doesn't it look interesting? And I'm sure that you will also want to make a play button for your YouTube channel. No matter if you have 100 subscribers, 1000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers, you definitely had the wish that you make your own play button and put it on your desktop setup. So this video is absolutely for you. Today I'll be sharing with you my experience that how I made my own play button, and after seeing this video, I'm pretty sure that you will also be able to make your own play button. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So making a play button for yourself is not that difficult, but not that easy. The first thing you need is a printout of the template of the play button. I'll give a link in the description. You can just download it, edit your name, change the number of subscribers and use it for yourself. After taking out the printout, you need a base to put it on it. I prefer that you use an MDF board, which is compressed cardboard for about 8mm thickness and of the size A4. If you don't find it, then you can use something like this, which I am using. This thing is an old plywood which I found from my backyard, and I am going to use this for the purpose. So let's start with it. So the first step is that you take the printout, and then you can find this YouTube shaped cutout out there. It is marked with the scissor, which means that you have to cut it. So let me just cut it and show it to you. Okay, so I have made the YouTube cut out here on the sheet, and now it's time to trace this shape here on the piece of cardboard. So we have marked the measurements, and now it's time to get it cut down. Okay guys, so I have got this piece of wood cut. Now we need to paint it in silver color from the edges, which is this interior part and the sides, but in my case it has several holes and is not plain enough to be painted up. So what I'll do, I'll take bits of paper and start covering the sides and make it smooth until it is ready to be painted. As you can see, I have covered all the edges with white sheet of paper, and now it is pretty smooth enough to be painted up. Since I have brought a silver printout of the play button, so I will paint the edges in silver color. For silver, I am using this premium gloss enamel from Asian Paints. This video is not at all sponsored. With this paint, we will be covering the side edges and then giving it a proper finish. So let me just quickly paint it up. So after painting the edges in silver color, this sheet of wood has dried up perfectly and is not at all sticky and is quite shiny and suits the theme. So now we need to move on to the next step, but before that I forgot to tell you that we need to fix a triangle at the center of this hole. For that I have made this cutout out of cardboard and painted it silver, and later we will stick it at the center. Now we need something which will be fixed out here as the background, and which will look something similar to silver. So the best alternative is a sheet of mirror. I got it from the market and this costed me about rupees 20. Not expensive, extremely cheap and easily available. So what we need to do, we will just fix it at the back side, something like this, with the help of epoxy glue. So let me just get some epoxy and then we will fix it here. So guys, the epoxy has dried and the mirror is perfectly fixed. So I will be covering this part with some paper so that it looks a bit neat. So the back part has dried up and everything is complete. The structure is ready. Now we just need to keep the template which we printed onto the surface and make it ready. So this is the template which we got printed. The part which is left after cutting the center, which is this, you need to cut out a triangle of this size in order to fix it here. So this triangle will be fixed here and the template on the surface. So let's quickly glue it up. And once you have fixed the template onto the base of the play button, your YouTube play button is ready. I have made it for 1000 subscribers. On 10,000 subscribers, I'm thinking to make another one which will be the gold play button. Again, that same video will be coming up soon once I hit 10,000 subscribers. So it's your job to go and hit the subscribe button so that you can let me push to that level more quickly. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my video and maybe you liked this idea of making a custom play button. If so, don't forget to hit the like button below the video. And if you are interested in such stuff, don't forget to subscribe my channel as we come up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.